How many days are there in a week? Zarkatana zizit daum. How many days are there in a week? 7 days. Nisari Asia Jun tu nisari ha tu Mirang Holh na thai din ha ma. Jun tu ni hen zizit ni dese. Tu ni khan zizit dese. Taban tuk po kha Mirang Holh kan chong tin ha lai. The Chin Post online speaking class tun na kan si. Kema tu sung kasi. Sia Jun thok nào si. Do you know the days of the week? Chu zar khat e mi ni po kha min na thai na ma. Do you know the days of the week? Yes. They are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Sia Jun zar pani kan tabi nisari ni kha Mirang Holh azitin da sikha. Sunday, of course. Nikat ni da Monday. Ni Tuesday. Jun anga kha lai te ro chan nak ngai. What day is today? What's today? Tu ni zat ni dise. What day is today? Today is Sunday. Tu ni zo zar pani ase. Sukun ni zan liu kata ni zat ni da rakse. What day was yesterday? Kahin chun alwan jami zo helping verb was kan man chang lai. What day was yesterday? Yesterday was Saturday. Ni zan liu khuzo zar teni arakse. Sukun thai jing ta ni zat ni de singha. What day will be tomorrow? What day will be tomorrow? Ka zo nga khan mai le kong chim kan du sia khan chun will to be ti khan man piak lai. What day will be tomorrow? Tomorrow will be Monday. Chun kip tu ta. And the day after tomorrow. Thai jing kip tu ta. And the day after tomorrow. Tuesday. Ni si lai. Zar khat chung nge mi ni bo chingdan zo kan thiam chang. Asia Jun atu zo date kha na zai zat da si te mi ko kha kan ching than chang ha lai. What's the date today? What is the date today? Ni hin ni kha na zai zat de se. Today is 23rd of April. Or today is April 23. Ni hin chu April ni kul ni thum na asim. Asilaw la ni hin chu April ni kul ni thum asim. Taben tok puning khan phun ni in chindan apun khat nak to 23rd of April taben tok puning khan ani ka amaya chim asilai. Taben tok punin ani amhai kan chia asia jun ordinal numbers pol asami first, second, third, fourth, fifth taben tok phun pol kha kan thai a hawi kan han thiam a haw. Silaw April 23 ti in khan ani kha anua dial na du sia chun 1 2 3 4 taben tok numbers po kha dial anga man anga. Sia chun what is the date today? Today is 23rd of April. My video te he na sa san tlai mi sa cham se kalum tok kan tong than na lai. Goodbye.